I got some basic day trading advice, but I do need to consider whether or not this is good advice. Just because you get advice doesn't necessarily mean it's good. I'm sure you are aware of that. And I want to take you along on this journey, and maybe you can learn a few things. Maybe you can spot some holes. Maybe there are no holes, but yeah, let's just consider this advice and see how things play out. So this person says, you need to just spot reversals. That's all.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
They then go on to suggest something else that I can do, or breakout on consolidation area. So listen, Clay, and to be fair to this person, they were very polite, they were very respectful, so I don't say any of this to be mean or anything like that, but nonetheless, hey Clay, just spot reversals. That's all. Or just spot those breakouts of consolidation. Okay, well, let's go and see how that translates. So let's first just start with, hey, just spot those reversals. Well, okay, well, here's a reversal. So yeah, could have went long there. You would have been fantastic. There's another reversal. Could have bought, went long there. Very nice bounce. That pulled back there. There's another reversal. Would have made nice money. Let's see what else. Oh, right here, there's a reversal down around that area. Would have made some very nice money. Let's find one more. Oh yeah, I mean right here, bottomed out, up it went. So yeah, that would have been fine. And then the other suggestion was, or just find those breakouts after consolidation. So here we are. Here's some consolidation. I can draw in a trend line right there, and right there's a nice buy. Just spot those breakouts after consolidation. There's the breakout right there. Oh, here's another nice one. You can draw in right there. So there was some consolidation as it pulled back. So there's the breakout. Yeah, just spot those, buy that. There we go. And just for good measure, let's find something else. Yeah. So, I mean, right here, once again, pulled back. So consolidation, buy the breakout right there. That would have been absolutely beautiful. And just for good measure, because I can't help myself, look at this. Pulled back, look at this consolidation. Beautiful consolidation, buy the breakout, up it goes. Now, maybe as I went through all that, you're kind of having a question go through your mind, and something's just not quite right.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
And what I'm guessing you felt what was kind of just gnawing away at your conscience and your instincts, just saying, well, wait a second, Clay. You're sort of just cherry picking reversals. You're sort of just cherry picking breakout points. You're sort of just saying, okay, well, no, I'm not going to do that because that's not a reversal. Well, how do you know that's not a reversal? Well, because, I mean, you see it went down right here. Or in other words, well, yeah, I have hindsight. So to sit there and say, yeah, just spot the reversal, well, it's easy to know that that's not a reversal because, well, it already went down. And therein lies the problem. Yeah, I get it. It's very easy to say, Clay, just spot the reversals. Well, think about that. You don't know a reversal is a reversal until it actually reverses, and then you can say, oh yeah, that was a reversal. And yes, in hindsight, it is easy to spot the reversal. It is easy to say, hey, that's all you have to do, just spot the reversals. And I get it when you're looking at a textbook or going back and looking at pictures like I was doing. Now, obviously, I wasn't using a textbook, but same thing. Textbook just uses pictures. Pictures have hindsight, and then they'll draw lines and be like, hey, you should have bought there because that was a reversal. Well, no kidding, it was a reversal in hindsight. Or you notice with the breakouts. It's very easy for me to say, oh yeah, I would have bought right there. Oh yeah, I would have bought right there. Well, yeah, it's easy to spot the breakout, but think about it. The only reason why you know it's a breakout is because, well, it's broken out and continued to go. But in the heat of the battle, that's not quite how the market works. Case in point right now, I've changed things up. How so? Well, now when we look to the right and we see this void of darkness, well, now that changes things up. So is this the reversal right now? To be fair, maybe this thing is getting ready to reverse back upwards. That's completely valid. That's certainly possible. But to sit here and say, hey, spot the reversal, well, is this a reversal? Is it not? I mean, is this thing going to just continue on down? I mean, or is it going to be a reversal where it goes back up? But when you have this void of darkness, it's not quite easy to just simply spot the reversal, and that's all. Now, you can try to find maybe potential reversal points, things like that, but keyword there being potential. You don't get to say, hey, spot the reversal because you don't know what a reversal is. But when you sit here and look at this, yeah, things become a lot more. Is this a breakout? We could draw a line like there. Is consolidation enough? Is this going to be one of those areas where you just spot the breakout? Well, I don't know, because it hasn't broken out. Let alone if you have any experience trading, I'm sure you've been there where things break out and then just completely collapse on you and it's a fake breakout. So I do appreciate the advice, and I probably should have noted this. This comment was coming from one of my live trading videos where I said, hey, day trading's hard. And it was a video where, yeah, I was having a rough day. And there's no doubt about it because day trading is hard. And the reason why it's hard is because you don't get to sit there and play in hindsight and then just go and spot the reversal or find the breakout with consolidation. You've got to make decisions. And sometimes those decisions are wrong. And sometimes you have several wrong decisions in a day. And yeah, you're going to have a rough day. That happens to everybody. But like I said, I really do appreciate this person trying to help me out on a video where, yeah, I had a rough day. But the solution to have a rough day is, Clay, just spot the reversals. That's all. You have way too much hindsight confirmation bias. And, I clicked on the person's name, was like, okay. And, I'm not trying to be mean, but this person is, has some videos posted and they're doing demo trading, which is good. Don't get me wrong. Demo trading is good. But that also tells me that you're probably more of a beginner, and that's totally fine again. But I hope you realize that your demo trading and everything like that isn't quite, that's not quite the real world of trading. Using a bunch of hindsight confirmation bias to spot reversals and to find breakouts. I mean, anybody can do that. And that is, my core argument against books is that all books offer you is a picture and then they'll draw patterns and lines and say, yeah, you should have bought there. See the reversal there? And there's the built-in presupposition that, well, yeah, you can call it a reversal because it's reversed. But for us in the real world, you don't know it's a reversal. I mean, you can have maybe suspicions, but you don't know anything's an actual reversal. So I would say this is very basic advice, but it's not very good advice because it doesn't quite translate into the real world of trading. In other words, there's a little bit more than goes into it than just, and like I said, I'm not misquoting them. In his words, just spot the reversal, and I quote, that's all. There is more that goes into trading and developing trade plans and managing risk than simply, hey, just spot the reversals. That's all. There's more to it than that. And for those of you, hopefully and the key learning thing here is when I was going through and kind of just picking out all the spots, I hope something went on your brain, like, wait a second, no. That you're doing this the wrong way. You're making your life way too easy. You're cherry picking. I hope those thoughts went through your mind because those are the situations that you absolutely want to avoid during your learning journey. You've got to be able to make things as realistic as possible. And when you look back at hindsight, you're going to have all sorts of hindsight confirmation bias, and you're not going to actually learn or make any sort of progress. So I hope this helps again to this person. Thank you for the advice. I appreciate it. But my advice back to you would be to please consider that there is a little bit more that goes into trading than simply just spot the reversal. That's all. There's more to it than that. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.